So the way we handle these matters is a 5-step planning system, and you can see it here. The first is a client meeting where we ask that the husband and wife, if it's a married couple, come in and consult with us first. And that's where we kind of just walk you through. We have some questions for you. You, of course, have some questions for us. This is the initial consultation where we get to know each other. Next is really where the plan development starts. And this is my favorite part personally. This is where we get together internally as a staff with the lawyers and paralegals and other assistants and get together and really customize the plan and go through each and every step to ensure the plan is customized specifically to the client's needs. Third is another very important part, and this is really the second client meeting. And this is where the clients come in and we make an inventory, or basically a list of all major assets that the family owns. And this is some time investment, obviously, for the family. And you'll certainly know way better than you do now what you have and what you own. But it's basically going through everything you have, again, because we're starting to change title from the individuals over to eventually the trust. And this is where that vital funding process begins, because you don't just want an empty treasure chest. You want a treasure chest full with all your assets and title to all your assets in the treasure chest. Step number 4 is the most exciting part for the client. This is where they get to come in and actually sit and sign off on their trust. This is that moment where they get to feel like I actually started to solve the problems, like I actually did something very important for my family, both financially and legacy-wise, and kind of start to get that weight off the shoulders of actually protecting my family and having a plan in place and someone to go to through these important life events as they occur. And finally, what we guarantee is a lifetime of communications and updates. I love what I do. My favorite part is communicating with clients and actually speaking to them and solving them. So we guarantee that just because you signed your trust and you're out the door, that does not end our relationship. We'll continue as the laws continue to change and as things are updated, as you acquire new assets, or if you simply have questions about your trust or other legal issues. That's step 5, and we're there as your trusted source to come back to with all of those issues moving forward. And here you can see, this is nice, exactly what it looks like. This is the actual binder that holds the trust. It looks good. You put in a trusted place in your house. We maintain a copy as well, but this combines everything. This has explanations in it of how everything works. It has the actual trust documents itself. Any customization tools are in there as well. Healthcare powers of attorney. This is really where everything goes in a nice compact binder that is stored somewhere safe. As we talked about earlier, it's important also to have nursing home protection, and that's separate planning and a separate document. So noting that here, it looks similar. So if you go forward with this protection as well, you'll have 2 of these. But that, again, just noting here that is separate to the base trust, is the Medicaid Protection Trust, which sets up in case someone needs to go into a nursing home facility, helps pay for those costs.